CoinXplore, the channel where we uncover the secrets behind the world's most fascinating coins. Today, we're diving into a coin that sparked a lot of buzz online. A 2006 Georgia 2 Lari coin that some people claim is worth as much as $52,000. But what's the real story behind it? Let's explore. The coin we're talking about is from the country of Georgia, issued in 2006 with a face value of 2 Lari. That's the Georgian currency. In regular circulation, 2 Lari is roughly worth about $0.70 in everyday money terms. But as with all coins, collector interest can push values much higher. Let's break this down. So what exactly is this coin? There are actually two different 2006 2 Lari coins you might stumble upon. Standard circulation 2 Lari, KM number 94. Normal everyday coin millions were issued. Commemorative versions, like special issues celebrating events such as Dinamo Tbilisi's UEFA Cup success. Namistia coin, the standard circulation coin, the one most people show online, is a bimetallic coin with a copper, aluminum, nickel center, and a copper-nickel outer ring. It weighs about 8 grams and is about 27 millimeters in diameter. It was made to replace the 2 Lari note in circulation in 2006. On one side, it shows the Georgian coat of arms, and on the other, the denomination and year. Pretty standard, until we get into rare variations. Let's talk value. If you check standard price guides and auction data, the ordinary 2006 2 Lari coin typically sells for a modest amount, more like $5 to $30 depending on condition. Why so low? Because it's a modern circulation coin, not a rare old issue like Roman or medieval coins. So where does the $52,000 story come from? Here's the deal. Sometimes coins are mistakenly rumored to be extremely rare or misattributed to a rarity that doesn't exist. For example, listing errors, grading mistakes, or even fake sales can distort perceived values. In real auction records, even rarer Georgia issues or mint error coins from other countries may fetch a few $100s, but nothing near the $52,000 mark for this 2 Lari coin as far as credible coin databases show. That huge number you might see online is likely clickbait or a misinterpretation of a different coin's price. Always check reliable price guides like NGC, Namistia, or auction results. What about rare variants or mint errors? Could those be worth big money? In general, yes. In coin collecting, rarities and errors can fetch high prices. But for this Georgia 2 Lari, true high-value rare varieties are not documented at huge numbers. A confirmed error might sell for a few $100s in high grade, but not tens of thousands yet. So if someone claims a regular 2006 2 Lari is worth $52,000, ask for the certificate, grading report, and verified auction sale. Without that, it's just a rumor. If you do think you have a valuable coin, here's what to do. Get it graded by a trusted service like NGC or PeaceGS. Check a condition. Uncirculated or MS65 plus coins are worth more. Look for genuine mint errors like off-center strikes or double dies. These factors, not the face value, determine real rarity and price. A coin's value isn't just metal content. It's about rarity, demand among collectors, condition, grade, verified auction history, a common coin in average condition, not much that a truly rare coin in top grade, big bucks. So to wrap it up, the standard 2006 Georgia 2 Lari coin isn't inherently worth $52,000. Most examples trade around $5 to $30. If someone claims a high-value sale, always ask for proof. Coin identifier. If you enjoyed this myth-busting episode, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more coin exploration right here on CoinXplore.